Hello and welcome to my official Facebook page. This is your son Zizo Roble. Today we are camping in the busy streets of Nairobi County 047, and our street question will be exact to the point. And viewers, and as you know that there are 43 ethnic groups in Kenya, and amongst those 43 ethnic groups, Somalis are included. But unfortunately, most of the Kenyans don't know the Somali community. Additionally, the Somali community in Kenya mostly come from northeastern part of Kenya, that is Wajir, Garissa, and Mandera. And they even have representative in the August House, in the Senate, or even represent this country in the ambassadorial docket. And our street question will be exact to the point. And because few Kenyans know the Somali community, and our street question will be, and what do they think of the Somali community? What comes in their mind when they see a Somali person? This is what they have to say.
My name is Brian Silas. I'm a Kenyan.
You're a Kenyan?
Yes.
Okay, what comes in your mind when you see a Somali person like me, Brian?
The ones normally when they're tall, so they are very easily identifiable. So the first thing I see, according to the stereotype which I've grown with, they are violent people.
Very violent.
That's exactly what we get in the villages.
Okay.
Mostly and short-tempered.
Very short-tempered.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
And of course, I'm not a person who judges people by how they look.
Absolutely.
So I've done quite a number of researches here and there. Because Kenya is very diverse, so you need to understand everyone who is in it.
Of course.
And I've discovered there are very, very smart people, especially when it comes to business, and they have money. So
they have money?
Yes, I just know that they have money. The ones that I've come across, they have a lot of money. A lot.
Hello?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
And we have this street question. That the Somali people are making a big number of population in this country. And as a Kenyan lady, what clicks on your mind when you see a Somali person?
I love them. Like, I don't have an issue with them. They're perfect. They're good people. Yeah, so.
Their personalities?
The ones I've met so far, actually I've met some pretty interesting people. The personality, the energetic, the good vibes. The good vibes.
The good vibes.
Yeah.
Asante sana, thank you.
Thank you.
So my name is Calvin. When I see a Somali, the first thing that comes to my mind is just the business acumen. Like I've interacted with a few Somalis. I have friends around Eastleigh and Garissa.
Absolutely.
So like I see even how the place is growing, developing in terms of malls, in terms of business, how it normally gets crowded. So I have a lot of respect for the Somali community. So when I see a Somali guy, for me, it's always more like, these guys are making money.
Asante sana, thank you.
My name is Joshua Rinda. I'm a Kenyan citizen. So, what I can see and what I can say about the Oria people, we are all human beings.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we came from one person who's God. Secondly, if I see Oria people, they look like they have money compared to Christians. And also, if I can see them, they are lovely people, they are good people. And also, the third one, the way I can see the real people now in Kenya, they are all over the nation. You can see them all over the nation, even the ministry, even the government, you can see all over the nation. That's what I can say.
Mimi ni Salim Mjenga. Kutoka upande ya Murang'a. Na mimi vile napendea Wasomali kwa sababu Wasomali wakileta mali yao hapa inasaidia watu wengi. Na vile wanaajiri watoto wetu wanapata mapato, kwa vile uchumi unaona iko mbaya. Kama vile ukienda kama mali kama Isiri, ukiweka vitu yako hapo unaona huyo ni Msomali anapatia Mkenya, anaweka hapo mbele ndio apate riziki yake ya jioni. Kwa hivyo hiyo tunafurahia, na sisi wa Kenya tuna shida na Wasomalia.
Asante.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Jackson Mase. Ni mkaaji wa hapa Nairobi.
Alright.
Yeah.
Na Bwana Jackson, ni nini hasa inakuja kwa fikra yako ukiona Msomali?
mi nikiona Msomali ninachua Wasomali ni watu ambao wako na pesa, yani watu ambao wako na hela. Yeah.
Apart from hela,
Na ni watu ambao wanapendana sana. Unaona Wasomalia wanafanya biashara wakiwa pamoja, ni watu ambao wako na umoja. Yeah.
hivyo tu.
Hivyo tu.
Asante.
Haya, karibu.
Christine Queen. Somalis mostly live in Nairobi and Isili, and their product, they mostly sell their perfumes and perfumes zao like huazishi scent. Yeah.
And they are very strict.
And they are very strict in their religion, Muslims. Yeah.
And how do you see very strict? And do they pray every time?
Yeah. Yeah, they pray.
So you cannot convert a Somali person from being a Muslim to Christian?
Yeah, it's very hard. Mostly even if they're dating a Christian, it's the Christian who's going to convert into Muslim.
Asante, thank you.
Welcome.
From Christine and every Kenyan, that was the reaction for the Somali community. I know it's a very enjoyable street journalism, and don't forget to subscribe or even follow my official Facebook page. I'll provide a link, and click it on it, so at least you can be part and parcel of this great social media family. From the entire crew of the the Kenyans on the street, we thank you for the support, and God bless everyone. Thank you so much.